Hello everyone, today we will going to see how to download Eclipse and how to install it for a Java developer. As well as today we will see what are the features of Eclipse that we use in daily life. So first, let's start with the download. For downloading, we need to just Google download Eclipse and just go on the first link, and here you will get the download option. Just click here and it will migrate to the this page. So I will share the link of this page so you can just download from here. And this is for Windows. So for Mac OS, it will automatically detect and it will migrate to Mac OS archive. So just click here and it will start downloading. Just wait. So you can see it started the downloading. Till the download is completed, let's discuss few things. Just like as we know that Eclipse is an open source software. So in industry, Eclipse use a lot. Students use the Eclipse a lot, and in Java developer community, Eclipse is very famous. A few features about the Eclipse that it support multi-language. It we can use it for handling the code management. We can integrate it with Git and SVN. Then, as a Java developer, it is very important for us. So we can use it for as a Java development also. Then we can use for debugging. Then we can use for refactoring. Then lot of plugins are there in Eclipse. As well as we can use Eclipse for testing, for building an automation, and we have really good community and support for Eclipse. So basically Eclipse is a very popular software. So if you find any issue in Eclipse, you can just Google it. So it will you will get an answer very easily because Eclipse is very popular. So these are the few things, that's why we use Eclipse for simple coding practice. For just if you want to write a prime number code, then you can use, or if you want to create a big application, then also you can use. If you want to create a J2E application, then you can use. If you want to create a Spring Boot application, you can do whatever you want in Eclipse. Eclipse having a different prototypes, we can say, in which we can just choose which type of Eclipse we want to install. So once this Eclipse is downloaded, we will see what we have to select while installing it. Basically, we are installing this for a Java development. So let's see. Let's wait for the download completed, and after that we will see how to install it and what things we need to take care and what thing we need to select. So here we can see that download is completed. So let me just open this. So it have downloaded the Eclipse installer. So just we need to double click on it and just wait for a few seconds. It will load the different types of Eclipse and it will ask for the option. So you can see that here we have different type of Eclipse, just like Eclipse ID for Java developer, Eclipse ID for enterprise and web developer, Eclipse ID for C++ developer, then PHP, then a lot of options are there. So as I told you that Eclipse support multi-language, so you can see from here. For normal Java project, just like servlet and normal coding that we want to do, just like for simple uh, primary simple prime number coding or any swap number, so you can just use this. But for as a Java developer and for doing all this stuff, this is the best option. You choose this Eclipse ID for enterprise Java developer and web developer. Whatever the things you can do here, you can do here also. So this one is the best. Here you can work on Spring Boot application also, but here you cannot. So we have to choose this, and simply you need to install. It will just started installing. Just accept this and the installation is started. We need to wait few once the installation is completed. It will take few time because the it depends on the downloading speed and it's downloading the particular version in background, so we need to wait. Maybe it will take time. Sometime it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So just we need to wait. And one more thing I need to tell you, here it's downloading a Java 17 SDK. So if we want to change, we can just click here and we can change the SDK before starting the installation. So for now, Java SDK is the latest version. So we can 17 is the latest version. So we can use Java 17. So as we can see that our IntelliJ, sorry, our Eclipse is downloaded. So as we see, as we can see that our Eclipse is downloaded, and we can just launch from here, and Eclipse is loading. Okay. So it's just asking for the location where all the project when we will create that will be storing. So basically it's known as workspace. So by default it's creating in C drive. So I'm just creating with the default location. Just launch. Okay, so here we can see that our Eclipse is started, and this is the welcome page. And if you need few things, few more details about Eclipse, so here all the links are provided. Check out project from Git, create a Java web project, and all these things. Here you can just click here. It will provide you the information. Okay. So here is our look of Eclipse. So from here we can just create a different type of project, Maven project, then Java project, then we can import project, then simply we can create project, and here we can type which type of project we want. So our Eclipse installation is done. Thank you so much.